No! I can't get it off of me. Hello, everybody. My chair. Hold on. Oh, yeah, there we go. I'm tall. Okay. So, hello, everybody. We are going to be making
slime.
We're going to be making slime today. Okay. So, what do we got?
Glue, contact solution, and baking soda.
We need a specific amount, or
Only need a little bit of baking soda.
a little bit of baking soda. What about contact solution?
Contact solution is the main activator.
Okay. So, what do we do first? Baking soda?
No.
Glue?
Glue.
Glue? Okay. We got some glue. We got some glitter glue. Couldn't find clear. You got it? Alright. This is all of mine. I am. Because I got a big bowl. Big man.
I want to make like a little batch of it.
Oh.
So like that much.
Oh.
You know, you can pour some water in there and then shake it up and pour it in. Get the water bottle and pour it in there. And then you could put the lid back on and shake it up.
Is your water? I don't know whose water is who.
I mean, either. I only drank a little bit of mine.
Alright.
I already put my baking soda in.
Oh, okay, you're already ahead of me.
I know. I told you I was going to go ahead of you.
I was not listening.
You're more
I was too focused on getting the glue out.
Let me get a little bit more baking soda. This glue is thick.
How much should I put in?
Only a little bit.
A little bit.
Don't even use your spoon. Just use this much. Probably a little bit more. So you have bigger slime. So that much. Now mix it up. You gotta overactivate it.
Well, it's gonna be really activated, so that's what I'm going for. Showing the camera. What happens if I overactivate it?
It's gonna be hard.
Yeah. Oh. Why didn't you tell me that?
We're not done yet.
I know, but I mean, you just said it'll overactivate it. I was like, I don't know what that means, but it sounds cool. And you're like, oh, it just gets hard.
You chose this to yourself.
Well,
You've been watching slime videos.
uh,
Okay, so now you're gonna add your contact solution after you mixed all your baking soda in. So if you think you mixed it all in, then you put your contact solution in. It's coming together.
so far we are using glue, baking soda, contact solution, spoons,
No bowl.
and a bowl. And a bowl.
Because when it starts coming off,
Uh-oh. Look at that. It's like flipping a pizza.
when it starts coming off of your bowl, that means that it's activating into there.
Ooh, look how sparkly that is.
I like mine.
You licked yours?
I said I liked mine.
Okay. Ooh, I was like, what did you do? I wasn't looking.
You cannot lick slime. Unless it's
Oh,
edible.
I can lick slime. I just
Okay.
probably get sick. But
Yeah,
I can
unless
still do it.
Unless you want to get sick. Then I'm already touching it, but play with it. It's coming together. Okay. Now what you do is knead it. We should have gotten hair gel. Because it makes the slime stretchier.
Some Axe hair gel.
I don't know.
Oh.
Probably some clear hair gel.
I had Axe hair gel before. That's just because it came with my soap. getting stiff.
Yay! Let's get it from the spoon.
This look good?
More contact solution.
I was about to lick my finger. I was not thinking. Alright.
I put some contact solution on my hands so that it would.
Ooh. I got something.
So that it will be easier for it not to stick to my
I
hands.
can't scoop the other. There we go. That's got a big chunk. I get off my spoon.
Can't get off your spoon.
How do I mix it all in?
That's how you make slime.
Oh, there it is. It's starting to come off.
Yeah, once it starts coming off the bowl, then you start.
So I can start taking it out now?
Yeah, but probably add a little bit more contact solution. Because it's going to be sticky. I'm going to save you. Okay, that's good. Now put it on the table and start playing with it. Told you it's gonna be sticky.
So do I need more?
Start kneading it. And then I'll add more. I'll add some more. Okay. Let's see. Make a bubble. Nope.
Maybe if you had more, it could have made a bubble. No! I can't get it off of me. It's like shuffling a deck of cards. Kind of.
I want to make it small.
I gotta move this over here so I can get in your space. There we go.
Okay. And this is our slime. Go ahead, poke it. No.
Oh, them? Oh. So I get to make a squirrel? Oh, squirrel. Squirrel now?
Okay, you want to learn how to make a swirl? Okay, you do this. You stretch it out like this. You come together.
Ah!
Make sure you...
Ah! Ah! How's my squirrel look?
Okay. So you have to...
Too much.
You have to stretch it out like this. Okay. Not too fast, Kevin. Okay, now connect it. Make sure you get the bottom. And then keep doing that. Okay. And then after that, you do all that. You wanna put it on the right here. And then you wanna swirl it. It looks like a poop. Okay, then poke it.
I'll try it again. I'll learn.
Let me try it on yours. Okay.
You got the good spot. You're closer to the camera.
Okay. Okay. Ready?
That's what I did. It's exactly what I did.
Nuh-uh.
Came out the exact same way too.
No, I didn't. Okay. I'm gonna make a bubble. This is pretty good for the first time.
You're welcome.
Okay, you make yours a little too long.
Well, it like bowed out at the bottom. I'll try this again. It wasn't much there.
You were getting there. Oh, you're small.
Maybe it's just because I need a bigger one to work with.
No.
That's the problem.
I have tiny hands, that's why.
Well, I need the big one for my big hands. Ah! We need to twist it at all?
No.
No. That's what's happening.
Still have a little bit more glue. Jeez. Oh, Kevin. See, you made it.
Had the bad side.
You stretch it out.
Is it too late to add some glue? Would that mess it up?
I don't know. If you like make another batch of slime and then put it in there, it will be fine.
So I can't just like put a little bit of that in right now?
No. Okay, so 3 capfuls of butter. What are you making?
Oh, nothing. Just a little something. It's not working out that well. Excuse me.
What do you mean, excuse me? This is my territory.
There we go. That's
Go
kind
subscribe.
of bad O.
Go subscribe. How come you don't do shoutouts?
Shadows.
Shoutouts.
Shoutouts. What do you mean shoutouts?
It's people who's active on your page.
They're in the live streams, and I talk to them in the live streams. Shout out to... Hold on. Where's my phone? It's loading. It's gonna... Well, it's not me, it's the game's fault. I gotta...
No, I was saying how long we've been recording, 47 minutes.
Oh. I thought you were judging me.
No.
Here we go. Shout out to Tatler in Pokemon Go. Oh, you can't see that at all. There we go. That guy for giving me a gift. That guy gave me a gift in Pokemon Go.
Non-clear one. Yeah. Interesting. I'm not trying. It works! Look at
What?
the screen.
What screen?
iPhone.
Oh, what, my Kevtendo thing?
Mm-hmm.
It's been up there. That's what I was looking at.
I just knocked it.
Oh, you about ready to end it?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you everyone for watching. Made some slime. Look at that. Look at this. I like mine better because I was able to spell my name with it.
Mine's stretchier and has more hooks.
Oh, okay.
Comment down below who you think won.
I won.
I won.
I think I made, look at this. I made art with mine. My hands are gross and sticky. Thank you everyone so much for watching. If you guys would like to see more, let me know. And like she said, leave a comment down below who made the better slime. I think it was me. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, again, let us know. Thank you everyone for watching.
Why?
Yeah, mine got like really stiff. Well, not really stiff, but it's like...
Uh-huh.